We got the brush all the way down to the bottom. It's cleaned out pretty nice. I do want to point out we got some cracking starting up here at the top. Starting to flake off. It's spalling. It's not going all the way through, but something to keep in mind. If this was a wood stove chimney like that, I'd probably be figuring out how to get a liner down there, but that'll be tough because there's this lip down there where it gets a little smaller. Right there you can see that the flue gets a little smaller, so it would be hard to get a stainless steel liner down here, but that would really be the best thing to do if you had a creosote producing heater in here to protect the building. That would be the best thing to do. It would actually make a difference with any heater to have a liner in here, have insulation and a liner, or replace this with an insulated stainless steel pipe. That's a lot of money, but it drastically enhances the performance. So now that I know that I have it all cleaned out, I can pull this thing up and go inside and work.